Hi everyone, this is Andrea and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing video. Are you ready? Ta-da! This is what I've got and I picked this one up from the fragrance shop in High Cross. This is what I'm talking about. I posted this one on my story. Unfortunately, this is a limited edition, so it's not available anymore online or on the shop. So this is how it looks like. And first things first is I've got the receipt in here and it says the fragrance shop, and I've ordered Versace Parfum EDT 50 mils, and it comes with a free Versace women's shopping bag. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Let's pull out the perfume first. Ta-da! This is how it looks like. I really love this one. I got this one in a micro size or a travel size. I'm not gonna open this one for now because I am in a rush. I am so excited. And this is the free tote bag. Oh my goodness, it looks big to me. And it says Versace shopping bag for woman. There you are. Are you ready? Let's rip it off together. In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oh my god. Let's have a look how it looks like. Oh wow. This has a dust bag. I'm really impressed. I didn't know it has got a dust bag, but basically it says Versace perfumes. And oh, ready? I'm so excited. Let's see how it goes. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness me. Look, this is so pretty. So this is the front. It's got a top handle with the iconic Medusa logo on the front. This is the back. This is the sides. It's cinched at the moment. It's got 4 feet. And it should include a shoulder strap. The iconic Versace design. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna use this one as a travel bag, beach bag. This is actually a multifunctional. This is the adjustable strap. And look at that. The craftsmanship is amazing. Honestly, the quality is really good. This is all worth it. And to be honest with you, I only paid £50. Including this, I only paid £50. The reason why I got the perfume is because I mainly like the handbag. I was after with the handbag, not with the perfume, obviously. And so, the gold hardware looks luxurious. Honestly, this is amazing and I love it. So let's try it on. This is not as big as I have expected. I would have thought this is a medium size. For a tote, this is actually a medium size. So I'm just about to connect the shoulder strap. And there you are, you guys. This is how it looks like. You can carry this one as a shoulder bag like so. Like so when you are traveling, or you can carry this one as a crossbody like so, or as a top handle. And I really love the design. The quality is amazing. Honestly, I love this one. Inside, it's got a magnetic closure. This is a magnetic closure like so. And wow, this is gonna be good for traveling. And inside, it's got a slipped pocket that you can fit in your mobile phone, your wallets. And the good thing is, there is a side zipped pocket that I think you can fit in your passport. So this is the side pocket. Let's see if my passport is gonna fit in. This is my passport with a case, obviously. Let's see. Wow, perfect! It's perfect for traveling. And it's got a magnetic closure, like so. And bam, ta-da! There you are. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, yeah. This is how it looks like. Obviously, it's a little bit crumpled, but it should be okay in time. There you are. Thank you guys for watching. I am ready for my flight. Bye. Mwah.